Ayan guys, iyan ang gipangbungkag ang tanan kalibutan sa sala. This is Ayla's favorite things to do every morning. Ana?
Your room is open. Your room is open.
It's time to sleep, Ayla. Let's go.
I want to spend time.
Spend time.
Yeah.
It's time to sleep.
It's like
You need to sleep, Ayla.
I want to share. What's the sticker?
Natulog siya guys ng 7:30 ng gabi at nagising ng 3:30 ng umaga, madaling araw. At ngayon po ay oras na po ay kasalukuyang oras natin ay 6:10 ng umaga.
Mommy, look, picture.
What's that?
It's picture.
It's pictures.
Not plenty. Not plenty, mommy. Not plenty.
What are you doing the pictures, Ayla?
The plenty.
Okay. Get the colors and color that one.
Oh.
Habang ang kapatid guys, ayan, tulog na tulog si Anaya. Inanuhan ko na lang siya ng camera doon. Para no. Anak, where's the color? I don't know where did you put the color. Just play na lang dito ka. Are you sleeping na?
Yes.
Oh, let's go na. Let's sleep na.
I want to spend some.
Spend time. It's a long day, Ayla.
It's Prince Pony.
For sure, bagsak ko ngayon,
It's
guys.
Prince Pony.
Matulog to siya
It's
ngayon
Prince
pa.
Pony. It's Prince
Maya-maya.
Pony.
And then, hindi naman to magising ng
It's
maaga.
Prince
Ano
Pony.
na lang ang pagpasok
It's
nito sa
Prince
eskwelahan.
Pony.
Okay, it's Prince Pony. It's Pony's friend.
Oh,
Hey guys,
What's a
anong
cute
ini-advise
day,
ko na
Mommy?
maibigay niyo sa
it's a
akin?
cute
Ang
day.
gawin ko para matulog to ng diretso is actually nasa 8 hours na po yung tulog niya. Kasi start siya ng 7:30. Natulog na talaga siya ng 7:30. Nagising ng 3:30. Thank you for watching.
Hello.